Okay, folks, this is another problem that you will see something like it on the midterm, a couple of problems like this. And it can be done very, very quickly using StatCrunch. And I know you're tired of me saying that, but I just think it's something you ought to consider as you get into this course. This is a survey. We're told that the sample was normally distributed with a mean of 68.9, standard deviation of 4, and we selected randomly a participant, and we want to know what's the probability that he's less than 65, between 65 and 71, and more than 71, and then whether or not any are unusual. So let's bring up StatCrunch. Okay, here's StatCrunch, and really all we have to do in these normal distribution problems is click on Stat, Calculators, Normal, and we bring up this neat little device which draws our curve for us. It comes up with a standard normal, 0 and 1, but this is just a normal with mean of 68.9, standard deviation of 4, and the first one we want is less than 65. Whoops. Get 65 in there. Make sure I've got less than pointing to the left, and I compute, and we get the drawing that the area under the curve to the less than 65 is 0.1648, which is the answer they asked for. The next one is between 65 and 71. We click on the between, and we put 65 on the lower end, 71 on the upper end. Click compute, and we get the area between of 0.5354, which is the answer there. The last is greater than 71, so we go back to the standard. We select the greater than 71, compute 0.2998, which is the answer they get there. And of course, all of these are more than 0.05, so that means they're not unusual. So I hope this helps.